Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting day-old loaves because drier bread produces crisp crumbs faster. You can use white, whole wheat, or sourdough depending on flavor. Once chosen, tear or slice bread into 1 2-inch pieces so they dry evenly. Make sure your oven is set to 120 degrees 150 degrees to remove moisture without browning. Place pieces on a baking sheet in a single layer. While they dry for 20-40 minutes. Check every 10 minutes. You want brittle texture, not toast. Once the bread is fully cooled, you move quickly to processing because warmth creates steam and soggy crumbs. You'll pulse in a food processor in short bursts. 1-second pulses for coarse crumbs, longer continuous runs for fine crumbs, and shake the bowl to redistribute pieces. If you don't have a processor, use a box grater or crush in a sealed bag with a rolling pin. This gives more rustic texture. Make sure to add salt, dried herbs, or grated Parmesan at this stage for even seasoning. You finish by toasting the processed crumbs at about 160 degrees for 5-10 minutes to ensure crispness. Stir once to avoid hot spots. Make sure crumbs are completely cool before packing them into an airtight container or freezer bag. Properly stored, they last several months and retain crunch. If your crumbs feel soft or clump, re-dry them on a sheet at low heat for 10-20 minutes, or spread thin and bake longer. This troubleshooting tip fixes retained moisture quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.